I'd like to introduce the ERGO TT2000 Blow Dryer, created by professionals for professionals. Our blow dryer was designed with a smaller body profile and perfect balance, really making it easier on your arms and your shoulders. All TT2000 blow dryers were created with individually replaceable parts, making this dryer one of the longest lasting blow dryers you'll ever own. It comes with a super powerful AC motor that produces up to 80 miles per hour worth of airflow. Our built-in ionic generator will give you a smooth and shiny finish every single time. And the last thing I like to talk about is the super heavy duty 10-foot cord. This is the ERGO TT2000 blow dryer.